Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. This is just a short video on how to get a cheap .com domain name with Spaceship. So basically go onto spaceship.com. So type in the browser spaceship.com or on Google. Once you arrive at spaceship.com, type in the domain name that you want. So whatever it is, this is just an example. Okay, the domain's available. Price is $8.88. So you'd add that to your basket. Click on here. Click continue. Click on the promo code. As you can see on the promo code, it's COMPROS. COMPROS. As you can see, it's reduced it down to $2.90. So you can get this. I think it's a one-term use with spaceship.com. Anyway, have a great day and I'll speak to you soon.